it's an oilless fryer, basically. Tried the hair dryer before. Oh, I mean air dryer. And here it's really good. We got our chicken here. It's all rinsed and dried, and we're gonna dip an egg and dredge it in a secret recipe, which is very simple. It's Chef Robert's breading mix. This is fantastic stuff. And then shore lunch. Unbelievably good. You mix the two together. It's got a nice, dry, crispy coating, and it doesn't hold any grease. You'll love it. So we're at race camp right now. We're in R&D kitchen. So we're gonna cook some dinner for the HammerSport team. Follow us along on this adventure. So we have our fresh green beans. Here they are. Beautiful looking green beans. So our green beans, beautiful color, good consistency. We're gonna cook them up, and we're gonna use some awesome ingredients. So first ingredient is our maple syrup, 100%. We have our organic coconut oil, apple cider vinegar. Always gotta have garlic. We got our green beans, a little garlic, a little coconut oil. So we have to wait for the maple syrup right at the end, because that's the trick to get it to caramelize nicely. And we'll just saute these for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll be able to add some maple syrup into it. Next step for the green beans is we got to put a little bit of our maple syrup in. So we're going to do that now. Our green beans are all set. They're kind of caramelized, gold looking. Just with the coconut oil, the apple cider vinegar, and the garlic. So we're going to put about a tablespoon of our maple syrup in. You don't need very much, just a little bit. You just want a hint of that smoke flavor. We're going to mix them up, and then we're going to let them saute for about another 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're getting the pan ready to go here so we can cook up our coconut oil and make it nice and crispy. So I put a potato in here, and I'm getting it up to temperature. This is how I tell when it's ready to put the potatoes in the frying pan. Whoa. There we go. Tastes like coconut. Looking good.
it, Craig. Good stuff. Mmm. Yum yums.
As you can see, his chicken's already gone.
There's my third bowl of this stuff. Roast beef up. Horse fatty. Yep. Comes right out your nose.